Welcome, family. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and support. Thank you for always tuning in to watch my video. Guys, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to bring back this wave bun to life. Yeah, as you can see, it's not looking good at all. It's not smiling. The wave on is not smiling, so I'm gonna put smile on the wave on face. Yes, and also turn it into a wig just the way you're seeing right now on your screen. So if you want to know how I do that, please stay tuned and don't go nowhere. If you're new to my channel or you're just seeing my video for the first time, my name is Abigail Ifoma. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for the love and support. For those who have subscribed, thank you. For my old subbies, you guys are the best. For my returning subscribers, welcome guys. Thank you so much. And if you're new to my channel, please drop it at the comment section. I'll be so happy, and I'll also give you a warm welcome. Thank you guys for the genuine support. Trust me, I cherish every single minute and moment you spend on my channel. Thank you so much. Please keep on watching. So right now, this is the wig cap I'm using. I'm just gonna go take it out from the pack and then put it on the mannequin's head and then secure it with a pin, the wig pin. So after securing the wig cap with the pin, I'm just going to use my closure. This is the closure I'm working with. So right now I'm going to put the closure on the middle part, and I'm making sure I put it very well. So I secure it also with a pin after doing that. So after putting the wig, the closure, at the particular place I want it to be, and secure it with a pin, I'm just going to start sewing round the closure. Guys, this needle is what I'm using, and I find it so comfortable using it. So if there's any needle you know how to use best, please use it. It's not compulsory you use this one. So that is it. This is the needle I'm working with. So I'm just going to sew each round twice. right now I'm done sewing the closure twice with the needle and thread, so I'm just going to start working on the back. So at the back I normally use candle. I use candle to trace, as in to draw a straight line, just the way you're seeing, so I can know where to put it, so I don't make mistake, and to also make the work look neat. Though my drawing is not straight, but I, at least since I'm the one doing it, I know how I'm going to fix it. So guys, that is it. After drawing it, the line, I'm just going to go ahead and start using my needle and thread to sew it until I get to the top of where the closure is and close it up. So guys, keep on watching. So right now guys, at this point I was done sewing the back side. So here is the final part of the wig that I'm supposed to, the final part of the hair I'm supposed to sew. So I'm just go ahead and start doing it very close to each other, but not lapping each other. I'm just going to do it very close to each other, so by the time you comb the hair or by the time you brush the hair, it does not swell at that particular place. So yes, that is it. I'm going to sew each round and then show you guys. So right now I'm done sewing the hair. I'm just going to cut the thread and then tie it twice and cut off the excess hair like the way you're seeing. I'm going to trim it off. So here is how the wig is looking like. So the next thing I'm going to do is to section the hair and start from the back. I'll start by working from the back. I'm going to spray water on it, but this water I mix it with a little bit of Cantone leave-in conditioner inside, and then put water inside also, and then that's what I'm using. So when I spray it on the wig, I'll use my hand to detangle it. It's so easy because the conditioner is inside the water. I mix conditioner inside the water, so that is how it is. I'll use my hand to detangle it. After detangling it, I will go ahead and put my coily cream. Keep it coil, it's called Keep It Coil. That's the product I'm using. So I'll just put it there to bring out the coils on the wig. So right now this is it, Keep It Coil. I'll take little portion because it works wonders also. So I'm just going to take little portion of the cream and then apply it on the hair, all over the hair, like the way you see. You can see it's already changing, like the way the hair is already changing. It's already coming back to life. So this is how it's going to be. And then I'll take just little gel and then apply on it. You can see I'm applying all those cream and then using my hand to detangle the hair. So this is how it is, and that is what I'm going to do until I finish making the whole of the hair. Right now you can see I finished doing it. There is the front part of the hair. I'm just trying to also comb it out. I use the same method for all the hair. Like I use gel, I use water, I use Cantone leave-in conditioner, and then a little bit of coily cream. So that's what I use. When I put it all together, it comes out this way. So here is how it's looking like when it's wet. So I'm going to show you how it is when it's dry. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please, if you do, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. This is the finished look, like the way it is. I'm done with it. I'm just going to allow it dry, and then I'll show you guys, like I said, how the dry one is. But before then, if you've watched up to this time and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Guys, consider subscribing, and also do not forget to hit the like button. Drop a comment what you think. Yeah, so that is it for this video. So guys, here is how it is, and I'm going to show you the dry part. Yes, so this is how the hair is looking like when it's dry. I'm going to show you guys how this wave on was looking like at the initial stage. I will leave it there so you guys can see it and then see the transformation. Guys, this is bomb. Like I said, the coily cream works, so that's what I apply, and then it keeps the coils was still there, and then it defines the coil and make it even more beautiful. Yeah, so guys, that is it. Right now I'm going to take it out from the wig, from the dummy's head. I'll remove the pin and then use scissors to trim, to cut off those excess lace on it, those excess wig on the lace. And then yeah, that is it for the hair. Guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching up to this time. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Please share this video with your loved ones. Share it to them, let them know how to make their own wig with needle and thread. Yes, so see you in my next video. Bye guys, please stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.